I actually grew up in a family of very strong women, and nobody told me that I was a woman and so couldn't do anything, and I'm really blessed for that. A lot of my role models are women, but I do see that that's not the way the rest of the world is. It is changing, but I think it becomes extremely important for us to recognize the fact that women or young girls need to be given that opportunity to identify what it is that they want to do, to go out and do it, and be supported as much as the men are today. If you look at design on the whole, I would say it's great for both sexes, but it's fabulous for women because empathy. Look at what a designer needs to have: understanding of people, empathy, some aesthetic sense, creativity. Aren't these all what traditionally we associate with a woman? Some parts of design have been traditionally male, like product design, and some parts have been traditionally female, especially in education, like fashion design. But if you look at people who are having an impact in the world, there are so many women architects, there are product designers, communication designers, and men fashion designers also. So I see that for the next generation, this has really changed, because today we're talking genderless. Our students have just brought out a magazine, you can have a look at that, called Alter, and the first issue, the theme is genderless. That irrespective of what your gender is, every young person wants to be able to make a difference and do their best for society, and I think that's really what we should encourage. I think one of the things is possibly looking at new ways of working. And that is already starting. Previously, when a woman took a break to have a child, it was often very difficult to come back, because the family said, no, you have to look after the child for 5 years, and then when she came back, it was late and difficult for her to start again. But I think the industry is seeing that, and the industry is changing the way that we're working. So there are more flexi hours, there's more work from home, people are doing projects, people are living in Goa and working with clients in Delhi and New York. Yeah, so the way that the world is working has changed. The new businesses, the setups of these new businesses have changed, and I think that really supports everything that a woman needs.